Welcome to my profile. I am Mubbasshir Rehman, a professional project manager and committed professional freelancer. With over a decade of hands-on experience in project management and 7 years of thriving in the remote freelance landscape, I bring a rich wealth of expertise to every project. My skill set is comprehensive, covering project initiation, planning, execution, and PMP-aligned management practices. I have a proven track record of employing effective problem-solving techniques and utilizing results-driven tools to ensure project success. Proficient in Microsoft Project Gantt Charts, I specialize in crafting meticulous project plans that encompass tasks, resources, cost analysis, baseline versus actual tracking, and detailed project reporting. Furthermore, I specialize in developing comprehensive project management plans that encompass all process groups and knowledge areas, including but not limited to risk assessment, stakeholder analysis, scope management plan, and other pertinent management plans. Let me join forces with you, and together, we can elevate your projects to unprecedented heights. Thank you.